All right, so I think I'm now streaming everywhere. So apologize for the delay. Good evening. My name is Brad Micklin. I'm managing member of the Micklin Law Group, which is a law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Nutley, Montclair, New Jersey. Today is Monday, August 5th, 2019. I am doing my daily tip. As I said, it's in New Jersey. If you are watching this at any other time or in any other jurisdiction, you need to review your law to make sure that it either hasn't changed or that it applies in your jurisdiction if it's not New Jersey. Today's my daily tip, and what I do with my daily tip is I try to take something that clients either ask me often or I see posted a lot of questions or just issues that come up, and try to give you just a really concise piece of advice on how to deal with it. So today's tip is, how can I get sole custody of my child without involving the courts in New Jersey? And the short answer is you really can't, for a couple of reasons. First of all, sole custody is very challenging in New Jersey to get to begin with. The only way in this kind of scenario you'd get sole custody without involving the courts is if the other parent agrees to it and you put it into writing. The problem is, once it's in writing, it's not enforceable unless it's signed by a judge. So it needs to be at least filed with a court in a case that you have that's active and signed by a judge to become binding. Now, that technically is involving the courts, but it's not the sense of having to go to court. You don't have to appear and testify. You won't have to bring witnesses or file documents. Only the agreement would need to be drafted in a certain way and filed with the judge. If you do that, it would be binding, but it would be involving the court just from a minimal standpoint. So I hope that helps. If it does, please give a like and share this video so that others get to see it. Subscribe so they get notifications when I go online, and put any comments below. I will certainly respond to them. If you have any issues you want me to address, you can always message me through whatever platform that you're watching, and I will certainly do my best to address it. With that, I'm going to sign off. Wish you a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. I just don't know what time.